So this is the GoPro Hero, the basic version of the camera. So don't worry, the video is not going to be any professional type video. So when you open the box, you get this camera. So when you just plug this out, so loosen your this, you can loosen it up. We'll keep the box aside, so you can adjust this however you want and tighten it up to your requirements. This camera is a 5 megapixel camera with comes with 720p normal, 720p super view and 1080 HD. Okay, so leaving that, what you get with the camera is we get all this. So this is the quick start guide, get started with GoPro, a pair of few stickers for GoPro, and product information safety guide. Well, you don't need any of this, you don't need to do anything with it, you can just keep it with you. So you get this, then you get a rare vented case which you put when you're not going into any rainy situation or you don't need to make the camera be waterproof, but the sound quality will be better with this, as it's vented and there's holes with it, so the sound quality will be way better. So if you're going anywhere in the day time, or if it's not rainy or anything, you can use this cover, so the sound quality will be better. Otherwise use the standard cover, which is this one, which has no vents or any hole. So this is a full waterproof case. So leaving this, you also have this, then you get this. Now you have two mounts over here. This is the two the adhesive mounts. One is a flat one is the curved one. The curved one is used to put for helmets, and what I've put, this is the curved one which is used for helmets, and there's one flat one which is for any flat surface, whatever. And this, you can see an extra clip over here. So this is for stopping the vibration, reducing the vibration. So that comes over here in the side to this and will touch the camera. So they tell that it reduces vibration, and it does actually. And you have this, finally, the USB cable. So you get all this with the camera. So excluding this, you will need to download the GoPro, the software from GoPro.com. So you can put you can take it from there once you got your camera. So you can get that in GoPro.com, and that's all basically with the things you get with the cam. And another thing, you actually get a vacuum mount, which is particularly for the GoPro, but I've ordered that, but that's not come yet. So until then I'm using this one, which is also an alternative for me. So yeah, now it's correct. It should actually come like this, and this is the way. It's pretty hard, it doesn't fall off, and this vacuum thing also is pretty good. So this is one way I use the cam, which I've put it on my windshield of the bike, or the front visor of the bike. So, and another thing I've done is I have the curved adhesive mount to my helmet, which is here. This is a permanent mount, so be wise where you put it, because once you put it, it's very removing will be a problem. So think properly and just put this, and you're good to go. So then now we go to the camera. So this is the camera which has 5 megapixel. So you have an option known as the quick access, in which as soon as you press the top button, it starts recording instantly. Now see, it's recording. So if you hold the top button, it starts recording in whatever setting you've left it. Now for example, I've left it in 1080 30 frames per second. So again, when you hold it and leave it, press it once, again it will stop the video and switch off at the same time. So this is the standard quick access mode. Otherwise you have the normal switch on button. This is the front, and unfortunately you don't have Wi-Fi in this, which you can connect for your GoPro app, but this is more than sufficient for the normal people who go for just recording stuff and all. So this is the first mode, which is the camera mode. Then you have photo mode, time-lapse mode, this is the burst mode, then time-lapse mode, and then the settings. In the settings, you can go to the resolution. You have got 1080 30 frames, 720 and super view, and 720p normal. So excluding this, you have some other spotlight on and upside down and all the other some other things which is not very required. What mainly you require is that. Then in the camera you can see it will show you your battery, the frames per second, and the 1080 or whatever quality video quality you are keeping. Then you can see how much of how many time, what time, how long you can record the video. It depends on your card. That is, now I have a 32 GB card on this and micro SD card, and that's it. That's the basic video of the camera. So that's it. If you got any doubts, you can just text me for any more doubts or anything. Thank you.